I'm tired. I'm feeling somewhat exhausted. It's expensive. The cost is prohibitively high. I'm not interested. I don't have much enthusiasm for it. I'm sorry. I apologize for the inconvenience. I don't care. I'm rather indifferent to the matter. I'm not happy. I'm feeling a bit discontent. I have a question. I'd like to pose a query. I like music. I'm a great aficionado of music. I'm busy. I have a multitude of tasks to attend to. I'm feeling sick. I'm not feeling particularly well. I need a break. I could use a brief respite. I'm in a hurry. I'm running a bit behind schedule.